Think electric cars are slow? Think again. These EV beasts redefine speed. First up, the Rimac Nevera. With a jaw-dropping 1,914 horsepower, it rockets from 0 to 60 in just 1.74 seconds. The Tesla Model S Plaid isn't just a sedan. It's a monster. 1.99 seconds to 60 miles per hour and a top speed of 200 miles per hour. Lotus Evija, a lightweight powerhouse with 1,972 HP, hitting 0 to 60 in under 2 seconds. Pininfarina Battista. Italian luxury meets power. 1,900 HP, 0 to 60 in 1.8 seconds. Electric speed is here. Silent but deadly fast. Which one's your favorite? Drop a comment.